Ever thought of transforming your limited space into a fruitful oasis? Imagine growing your own strawberries, citrus fruits, apples, pears, blueberries, and cherries right on your patio or balcony. With the right guidance, even the smallest balcony or patio can become a miniature fruit farm. Starting with strawberries, the perfect fruit for hanging baskets or vertical planters. These juicy gems thrive in well-drained soil and love a sunny spot. Regular watering and a little bit of patience will go a long way. With proper care, you can enjoy fresh, juicy strawberries right from your balcony. Next up, the luscious lemons and vibrant oranges, bringing a touch of the Mediterranean to your urban oasis. Citrus trees thrive in containers with a little sunlight, some well-draining soil, and a touch of tender care. Citrus fruits not only add a zesty flavor to your meals, but also a vibrant touch to your living space. Moving on to apples and pears, classic favorites that can thrive even in small spaces. With appropriate pruning techniques and container selection, these fruits can flourish remarkably. The joy of harvesting these fruits from your own space is truly unparalleled. Imagine biting into a crisp apple or juicy pear, grown right on your balcony. Now, let's delve into the world of blueberries, a superfood that you can grow in your own container garden. These antioxidant-rich berries thrive in acidic soil and require diligent care. Blueberries not only offer a health boost, but also add a beautiful touch to your garden. Finally, cherries. Whether you prefer sweet or tart, there is a variety that will thrive in your container garden. With strategic pruning and the right container, you can enjoy the thrill of harvesting your own cherries. Cherries bring the promise of summer, right to your doorstep. There you have it, the top 5 fruits to grow in containers on patios and balconies. From the luscious strawberries to the zesty citrus, classic apples and pears, antioxidant-rich blueberries, and delightful cherries. Turn your urban space into a fruitful haven and relish the taste of homegrown fruits right outside your door.